50% of Australian workers are living paycheck to paycheck. Similarly, 76% of Americans are same, and it's not because they don't make enough, it's because they have been lied to. Today, I'm exposing 5 money myths that are seriously keep people broke. In the next 9 minutes, you will learn 5 common beliefs that sound smart but are actually dangerous. If you believe even one of them, it could be costing you years of financial freedom. We are calling out 5 lies about money that are seriously keeping you stuck and what to do instead. Lie number 1, I just need to make more money. This one feels true, right? Yes and no. We all have said that we want to make more money to improve our financial situation, to have a better life. Therefore, I always think if I make more, I will finally get ahead. If I had a higher paying job, all my problem would go away. But here is the truth. More money doesn't fix poor money habits, it amplifies them. Making more money doesn't help if your habit stays the same. You don't raise the level of your income, you fall into the level of your systems. I used to think a higher income would magically solve everything, but then I got a better pay, I upgrade my lifestyle. As the term lifestyle inflation, the more money you earn, the higher spending you do. You either buying nicer accessories, dinner out more often, and spending on more vacations. So I spend more and have the same dress. This end up same zero in my saving account. Recognize this bad habit is crucial to stop and start doing things differently. Here, what to do instead. First, master what you have now. Don't look for excuses to buy more things unnecessary. Second, start with the simple purchase as 7, 10, 10, 10 rule. Even if your income is tight, I include this super simple purchase rules in the link below. Number 3, track your spending closely by giving every dollar a job as soon as you get paid. By that way, your money doesn't wander around online shopping or dining out without a plan. Some of the highest income I know are still broke. Why? Because they never fix the foundation. Making more is part of the equation, not the solution. And when that solution doesn't work, we move on to something even worse, believing the problem is us. This leads to lie number 2. I'm bad with money. I always have been. Yes, this statement we say is a fact. I'm just bad with money. But here's the truth. Nobody is born good with money. Financial literacy is a skill. It's not personality trait. No one knows how to purchase, invest, or use Afterpay responsibly. If you were never taught financial basics, of course it feels overwhelming. But here is the good news. You can learn and master your money management skills. When you stop labeling yourself and start learning step-by-step system, you realize it's not about being good at money, it's about having a plan. Therefore, instead of thinking you are bad, do this instead. Pick one small habit to focus on this month. Either learn how to build an emergency fund, read one book on money, watch one financial video a week. You are not bad at money, you just at the beginning of your learning curve, and that's a powerful place to be. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to support this channel. And speaking of plans, the next lie convinces us that planning equals punishment. Number 3, budgeting means I can't enjoy life. I always heard that say budgeting is restrictive. It means no fun, no life. I really thought budgeting meant I had to live like I was broke forever. I thought I work hard to earn money. Why do I need to restrict myself when spending on things that I like? We all love shopping, eating out, traveling to places. But a real budget isn't about restriction, it's about permission. It tells your money where to go so you can enjoy life without guilt. Therefore, you should do this instead. Set up a budget that includes fun buckets so that you can spend on things you like. Or you can put $50 aside each month just for fun stuff, purple tea, street food, or random K-Max item, whatever lights you up. The most fulfilled people I know don't spend less, they spend on purpose. That's the real flex. But even smart spending can help if you are chained to the next belief, one that's so normalized most people never question it. And like number 4, that's just normal part of life. Majority of people normalize that it's just part of life. Everyone hates it. That's hate becomes so normalized that people drink like a subscription, from student loan to credit cards, car loan, buy now, pay later, so it must be normal, right? Yes, it's common, but here's the thing. Just because something is common doesn't mean it's safe. That quietly drains your future, it delays your dream, that delays freedom. It's not about shame, it's about leverage. Break free from that and you unlock choice. Therefore, acknowledging that debt is not normal and start paying it off. To do it, you should make a simple plan to get out of debt with no shame, no rush. Try the debt Snowball method, start with your smallest balance, or Avalanche method, start with the highest interest. You can find more information about debt management methods in another video, the links in the description below. Or even just save $50 a month on saving to pay toward debt makes a difference. But even if you escape the trap, there's one final line that quietly drains your potential day after day. Line number 5, I will save when life calms down. This is the line that feels most understandable and the most dangerous. Yes, I repeated myself that I will save later when life calms down. The reality is life doesn't calm down. There's always something coming up in your life at any time, a birthday, a car repair, a weekend getaway, a crisis. The people who build wealth don't wait for the perfect time. They automate imperfect action, and that's what gets them ahead. If you are waiting for the perfect time, you will never start. Therefore, start saving even $10 a week. Make it automation so it's out of sight, out of mind. The small amount but consistent action will build momentum. Before you know it, you will have $100, $500, even much more in your account. So now you know the 5 lies that keep people stuck, but what do you actually do the moment money hits your account? That's what makes the difference. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more content. My next video captures 5 personal finance lessons I wish I knew in my 20s to stay control in your finance.